Hello guys, today I want to talk about Hot Wallet Telegram application. In this application, we are mining HOT. Important, HOT on futures for today is $12 for one HOT. But apart from mining HOT, in this application, we can make swaps in different blockchains, we can make bridge from one blockchain to another, and also we can stake, also in different blockchains. So stay with me and I will tell you everything. When you first run this application, you will create a wallet. Be sure to write down your seed phrase and keep it in the safe place. Will be your first page when you run this application. And we will go a little bit down. And here we have storage. So push on the storage. And now we can climb HOT. To climb HOT, we need to push climb button. But be aware that you need to have near in your balance to be able to climb HOT. If you will be my referral, you can write me in the comments that you are my referral and I can send you 0.2 near for climbs. After you climbed your HOT, go to missions and try to perform all missions that are available here, because for every mission you will receive some HOT. And this HOT you can use in boost section and upgrade your level of mining. So just check all these missions and try to complete them. If you have any problems with missions or some questions, also just leave me a comment. Okay, next go to the boost section. And here we can upgrade storage, so we can climb more rare. Next, we can upgrade mining speed. And we can boost our mining speed as well. I upgraded everything to maximum levels. The last one could be upgraded soon, I think. So I hope they will add soon and I upgrade to the 6th level. Okay, and here we have friends. For every friend you will receive some percent from his mining. What is important here, above you can see explore villages. So you can join village and there are different villages. Some of them distribute their HOT, it's about 0.25 on a weekly basis or on daily basis. Such villages you can find in Telegram. If you want to know where I'm gathering HOT from villages, give me a comment. I will share. Let's go to our homepage. To start use this wallet, you need to deposit. So go to the deposit button and here you can see different blockchains and you can deposit on blockchain using different crypto. Just choose the one you want to deposit and proceed further. Now let's go to the swap section. Here you can see there are different blockchains and we can swap on all these blockchains. I will show an example on Ton blockchain. I have some USDT in Ton blockchain and I will swap them to the Ton. I push max. Then we have preview. I can see here that commission will be 0.65 cents. Okay, go further. And here I check the amount and the amount of ton which I receive. So 1 USDT will be 0.19 ton and slippage 2% and commission 0.65. Here we need to push on these images and we will earn additional token free. Okay, swap is done. Now I swapped my USDT to ton. I push done. And now I will show how you can make swap on BNB. For this I will use contract number. I push to destination and here in destination token window I put the contract number and after I put it there appears the global button. I push on this global button. I am on my PC, I can't show it properly, but there is a global button, okay, and the token appeared. So if you know exactly which token you want to buy and you have contract number, you can use it here. Also there is possibility to see chart here. I have it by day. So this is chart for this token, and I put amount which I want to swap, push review, and here I check price, so, and I swap to this amount, so 1 BNB will be 121 CBR. Okay, slippage 0.5. Okay, I earned some additional free tokens and swapped. Okay, now let's make swap on Tron, and I use the same. I will go to section, yes, and I'm having another contract address. I will put it here, and I push global search, and this token I will buy. PFI. Also I can see chart here. I like the price for now, it's not high. And I have some TRX and I will buy for 400 TRX. Okay, here I can see commission, 23 cents. Here I check the amount. Okay, my commission and slippage 2%, and I push swap. And done. Now let's go back to our home section, and I would like to show bridge, how we can do bridge here. So, and here we go to the road, and you can see the source, different blockchains, and the destinations. And I can from one blockchain to send my tokens to another blockchain. And I will show my example on Solana. I will bridge it to BNB. Okay, here important. So when you make bridge from one cryptocurrency to another, you need to pay fee in both. So I make a bridge from Solana to BNB, so I will pay Solana fee and BNB fee. For Solana I will pay 1 cent, and for BNB I will pay 22 cents. Here I check the amounts, my network fee, and push bridge. All done. I transferred my USDT from Solana to USDT in BNB. Let's go back. Okay, let's go to the earn section. And here we can see also there are different blockchain, and we can stake in this different blockchain. Yes. Near different tokens, Solana and Ton. Here important, this is 3 days in NIA and Solana to withdraw. So if you want to withdraw your staking, you need to wait 3 days for NIR and Solana, but the rest are 0. I will show my example on USDT in NIR. I will push max. So this is my expected income, $10 in a year if I leave them here. So I think if your crypto just lying in your wallet, why not to stake it, and it will be some benefit. Why not? And it's done. I staked it. Let's go to the transfers. Here we can choose different blockchains, different tokens, and we can transfer them. Just push the receiver wallet and push next, and it will go to the destination. Okay, that's all I wanted here to show. And now let's go to the Hapi score. I push on this button. You will have here or shrimps or shark or whale. It depends on the amount of your cryptocurrency in the wallet. Here are some tasks, and I highly recommend to perform all these tasks and to gather all these badges because they will increase your Hapi score. And the more Hapi score you will have, the more airdrop you will receive. So this is important. So let's push Hapi score. And here it is calculated my Hapi score. It will calculate on every blockchain. It's taken into account the activity on every blockchain. It's calculated me on Ton blockchain, and I can mint my Hapi score. Okay, it calculated, and I push mint now. And to mint my Hapi score, I need to pay commission. And I minted. Trust hot is minted. Okay, it's ready. Also, this is my Hapi score on NIA. Also, we can base, linear, and BNB. The Hapi score increases when you perform any transaction in this wallet, any swap, bridge, deposits, and staking. All these counted, and your Hapi score increases. So let's try to increase our Hapi score. Yes, let's mine the hot. I'm pretty sure that airdrop for this hot will be really good, and the more we will collect, the more profit we will have. Okay, if you have any questions or suggestions, just leave me a comment. I hope you liked my video. Please give me a like and have a great day ahead. Bye.